Hello and welcome to another CBits Tech video. This is the fourth of 4 unboxings I did. I've got all these in the course of a week, but it's taken me ages to unbox them. I might have to do this off camera because I don't want to show you the address label. But anyway, this is some mini discs from Japan. These are unused and wrapped, still wrapped mini discs from Japan. There we go, that's a bit better. I have to be careful not to show you an address label. These ones I think were about £15 something. I put a bid on quite a few of them, all late one night, and which I've got a habit of doing. Can't sleep, or should be going to sleep, and I end up surfing eBay for some interesting finds. So these are TDK Fine 80s. I'm actually going to unwrap them as well. Let's have a look at the packaging though. There's a reference number, because once I've unwrapped these, the packaging will be no good. So we've got 2 cafe and 3 ice. So it's a 5-colour mix. So 2 of that colour and 3 of that colour, I guess. Do I want to keep the packaging? These are Japan exclusives. And as I said in an earlier video when I unboxed the used mini disc, which will be up there in the description box, there are people now buying job lots from Japan, buying batches from Japan, and then reselling them for a profit on eBay, which I don't mind so much, but maybe I should just invest myself in getting a stash of mini disc stuff direct from Japan, because I've got pretty much everything that's available in the UK, or was available in the UK. So let's I'm not that bothered about keeping the packaging, really. I'll always have the video I can look back on. So we'll see how it comes out of the packaging. If I get to keep a little bit, then I will. But I don't want to scratch the actual boxes either. No, I really can't be bothered. So get rid of that. Ooh, that's a bit of a dull colour for cafe. It's unusual, isn't it? Nice though. I like it. It's a sort of browny, reddy brown colour in real life. I've got some natural lighting and some overhead lighting coming through the window. Yeah, quite nice. I like that. So we've got 2 of those and 3 white ones. Let's have a look at the labels. I might in the future do some auto translate on these, but I don't suppose it's going to be telling me anything that I don't already get on mini discs which are designed for the UK use. Yeah, very nice. It's nice to have new mini discs to open and use. There's the white one. Nice. I like those. Very nice. What I've got to do now is figure out something to put on them. Well, that's it for the time being. I'm going to be doing the next video I'm going to be shooting. The plan I've got is for a cassette player, a hi-fi that I bought recently. Has got an interesting feature, and the previous user had what I think is an interesting hack for the cassette boxes as well. So that will be coming up soon as well. So remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment if you've got anything interesting to say. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next video.